Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's the first time to my channel. My name is Atinuke. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this lovely DIY clipping. Guys, this is a very amazing DIY. Yes, so can you please keep on watching? So I'm going to be using this elastic band. I think it's the medium size of elastic band. Then you can actually use your tape rule to measure, but I don't really have that time, so I'm going to be using my clippings, old clippings I have. I'm going to use it to measure out how I want to achieve each section of clipping. So the first one I achieve is the 4 clipping. Yes. Then the next one, you have to space your hand because you're going to be cutting that place. You don't have to allow the clippings when you're measuring it to be very close to each other. So the next one is the 3 clippings. I'm going to mention that out. Then write the number. Make sure you write the number on it. Then that is how you keep measuring the clipping till you are done to 1 clippings. And it depends how you want the volume of the clippings to be, you understand? So I'm going to cut the Brazilian wool into the desired length I want. I would advise you don't allow it to be too long if you don't want it to tangle. If you want it to be very easy for you to brush, please do not allow the length of Brazilian wool to be too long, you understand? So I'm going to cut it to the desired length I wanted. Please ignore my scissors. Ignore it. This was the only scissors I could find that is very close to me. Ignore it. So after I've already mentioned those parts out, now I'll have to start crocheting. You have to crochet with small mouth of crochet hook. Then I pick 1 strand, crochet, then flip it into 2, divide it into 2 before crocheting. I didn't crochet with the 2. You're going to see what I'm trying to say. Crochet. Okay, then take the knot, then take 1 strand of Brazilian wool out, then use the second one to bring it out also. Let me allow you guys to watch this tutorial so that you understand. Please keep on watching. If I need to explain anything to you guys, I'll be back to explain. Keep on watching, guys. When we are done crocheting all the hair, we start brushing. I'm going to show you another method you can easily brush, but this was the first method I used. I brush from the tip. Make sure you start from the tip of the hair. Do not brush from the up from the middle. Brush from the tip of the hair, then raise your hand up little by little if you want to use this method. Then I started sewing the clippings. I started sewing it on the band. And please be careful with the band. Don't overstretch the band or else it will be slack. You understand? Don't overstretch it. So this is the second method I wanted to show you guys. You're going to be making use of this brush. Yes, I found this brush very easy, but the same process. Make sure you start from the tip, you understand, from the down part then up. But this brush was very easy to brush out. It came out so smooth than normal brush, and it came out very soft than normal brush. So I'll prefer using this method. If you don't have this hair straightener brush, then you can easily use normal hair brush.